Welcome back to the channel, dreamers. Yeah, what I'm about to do now is go ahead and plant these cantaloupe. Yeah, it's a little late in the season, but hey, it's never too late. It's always good practice to plant your seeds on mounds because it absorbs the heat, sun's heat better. It also provides drainage and prevents root rot. I found a little tool nearby to insert little 1-inch holes, and that's where I'm putting my seeds. Now I'm adding some amendment for oxygen. That's nitrogen right there. That's blood meal. Just sprinkling a little bit on there. And also this is 10-10-10 general fertilizer. Also sprinkling that around, and I'm gonna come back and mix that in with the rake, and then water that in. That'll get the seed a good start, and then the roots as well. I should also mention that in addition to planting the original seeds from the pack, I'm also planting the seeds from last year's cantaloupes. Moving on to the next project, I'm raking up some pine needles. That way I can use that in where I'm gonna plant the blueberries. They are a good source for acid, and blueberries love acid. I'm also adding compost to help enrich the soil, as well as these spent coffee grounds. They all will help with promoting good health of the blueberry plants. Last but not least, about to mix in the ammonium sulfate pellets. It's a slow release fertilizer. It breaks down slowly, gives the roots a chance to actually spread out and be healthy. You want to ensure that the plant's crown is at level. You don't want it to be below, because the water will cause root rot. So if it's level and you create like a little mound, the water will drain away from that. And the mulch just is able to retain the water and the moisture. Now that little project is done, I'm taking the extra pine needles and I'm top dressing all of the existing blueberry bushes that I have in pots. And once again, that's going to provide the acidity level that I need. And I'll after I water this in, and after a couple days, I'll go back and test the pH level, make sure that it's between the level that I need it to be, which is around like 4.3 to maybe like 5.5. You have to make sure that your pH is in the correct range. That way you have a good flow of greenery as well as fruit production.